So hello guys, I'm Neeraj and I'm going to give you a brief demo of the new customizer that we have released a few days back. The new customizer allows you to customize your checkout page according to your wish. You can customize it according to your branding requirements, and you can customize the checkout page in whatsoever way you want. So this is the Pabbly dashboard. So as you can see, I have few products that I have created in my account. This is the Pabbly subscription product. This is FormGet product. This is the MailGet Bolt product, and this is the Pabbly Ltd product. Now when you see this Pabbly subscription product, it has lots and lots of plans in it. Currently it has more than 10 plans created inside this product. So the starter plan is just $9 per month, and you can view the checkout page for this plan. So this is how the checkout page looks for this plan. Okay, it has a nice background. It has a field for first name, last name, email address, company name, the billing address, the payment information, subscribe now button, purchase details, and all those kind of things. Now what I'm going to show you is how you can actually transform and you can actually customize this page according to your branding requirements in whatsoever way you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to the settings panel, and you can see this new tag appearing right here which says the checkout page settings. Now I'm just clicking the checkout page settings, and it will instantly take you to the entire checkout page customizer. Now when you hover to any section on the checkout page, you will see a blue border around a field. This means that you can actually customize this field according to your requirements. So for example, on the top it says product name. So we have a header title over here, and we can name the product name in any way we want. We also have a percentage product name, percentage placeholder field. So for example, if you are customizing any specific product, automatically the product name will appear through this tag. So whatever you have saved, whatever the name of the product you have saved in the products tab, it will automatically be pre-filled by this percentage product percentage name field. But still, if you want to change, you can change the product name here. You can write colorway product or anything that you like. One thing you should notice is that anything that we are customizing here will be applicable to all products and all plans. Okay, so this means this customization will appear on all the products and all the plan. So what I will do is I will just leave the name of the product as percentage product name product, which means the name will be pre-filled by the name of this product. Okay. Apart from that, we can also customize the order summary section. So if we move down, it says order summary. We can just write place the order through the form below. I've just changed the name. We can customize the color of this section, and I have just customized the color. If you want to upload any header image that you already have, let me see if I have some header image. I think I don't have a lot of images, so I'm just replacing that header image, and you can see that I can place any header image on the top checkout page. So once you upload the header image, your product name will go away, but you can still upload any header image that you want on your checkout page. Okay, it is actually a very cool feature. Down below it says your basic information. We can just click on the field. The basic information area will appear here. We can enter the basic information below. Next we have a field of first name, last name, email address, and company name. Now the first name, last name, and email address are mandatory fields, so you can't turn them off. But if you want to disable any other field, if you want to disable the company field, you can just press this checkout button and the company field will go away. If you want to show the phone number, you can also tick this phone number field and the phone number field will appear. If you want to grab the website address or any other details for this person, you can just tick this field and these field will appear. If you want to make some field mandatory, you can just press this required button and this field will not be an optional field, it will be a mandatory field which the users will have to fill at the time of checkout. So for now, I'm just removing the company name field. I'm just giving the first name, last name and the email address field. If you want to change the text for anything, because I've seen lots of customer who actually asked us whether we can change the field name in our own language. So basically you have this option, you can just write anything over here and the field name will be replaced, field label will be replaced directly in the checkout page. Next is the billing address section. Again, you can just change the header billing address. We can just write your billing address, street address, we can write cities, country. If you want to disable a zip code, you can just disable it. If you want to disable the city name, you can disable it. And you can see as you disable the city name, the country field automatically takes the entire width of the form. So it is really a cool feature. You can just disable or enable any field that you like. Okay. Moving below, in the payment information field, we can again change the label of payment information. We can change the credit card number, the month, year, CVV. We can write enter your coupon code. We can say apply coupon code now. We can change all those kind of labels. The terms and condition field, where it says by clicking subscribe now you agree to the terms and service and privacy policy. You can mention your terms and service policy, you can enter your service URL, you can enter your privacy policy URL, you can change the agreement text, you can change the text in any way that you want. Okay, down below is subscribe now. Now lots of people say that whether we can actually sell a one-time product using Pabbly. You can definitely sell one-time product, and when you sell a one-time product you have to change the subscribe now button text to a checkout now button, or you can just make it buy now. And when you make it buy now, and if you want to change the colors, you again have the flexibility to change the color according to your branding needs. So you can change the buy now color. We already have a pre-filled some really nice buttons over here. If you want to make this button a rounded button, you can just mention a border radius and you can see your button will be a round button. Again, you can change the button text color, and if you want to change the hover color, you can again change the hover color to anything that you like. So when you hover over this, the color of the button will change. Down below it says other. So as you can see, we have customized this section. This is a secure server checkout seal. If you want to upload a footer image, you can also upload a footer image. If you want to add some footer text by purchasing, you agree to our terms and condition. We offer a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can write any specific description text that you want. If you want to upload an image in a footer, you can do that. And then we have a seals which you can change. There's a 100% satisfaction guarantee, money back seal, encrypted checkout seal, and shop with confidence seal. So you can change the guarantee seals according to your requirements. So we can see the page has almost been built. On the right panel, you can change the purchase details to your product details. You can change the setup fee as a one-time setup fee. The total can be changed as gross total or anything that you like. Again, the plan details, the product details can again be changed. The footer product details, that label can again be changed. The field that you see here is the first plant description. This will automatically be filled from the product description here. So any description that you add within the product will automatically appear here. Okay. Down below, if you want to add a testimonial block, you can just enter the name of the person, the testimonial that you want that person to give. You can change the star rating for this person. You can upload or remove the image. You can add as many testimonials as you want, and that's it. You can change the checkout page in whatsoever way you want, quickly and easily. Now we are heading towards the thanks page. So this is the page that your customers will see after they make a purchase. So again, you have the flexibility to change the title of this page, which will be appearing on the top bar here. You can change the message title. Thank you for your purchase. You can say bravo, thanks for your purchase. And you can change the text size. You can change the description size. You can change any content over here as well. We also enable a conversion tracking code. So if you want, you can upload a conversion tracking code here. This tracking code will be shown on the thanks page. So in fact, we are coming up with two tracking codes here. One will be shown on the checkout page and another will be shown on the thanks page. So that way you can place different pixels on a checkout page. You can place different pixels on a thanks page, and I think it should come within this week itself. And you can implement a tracking code on a checkout page, and you can implement a tracking code on thanks page as well. Lastly, you can add a countdown timer. So if you want to give your customers a sense of urgency, you can add a countdown timer to the checkout pages, and countdown timer will appear here. You can change the color of the countdown timer. Once the this offers expire soon, you can change the label of this countdown timer, and once the offer has expired, you can again change the label of the countdown timer once the countdown timer expires. So you can enable and disable this countdown timer easily. Okay, so now what I have done is I have created a checkout page. I'm not going to save this checkout page as actually this is my live testing account, but once the checkout page is saved, you can again go to the product section and you can see any checkout page over here, and the checkout page will be shown. Oh, I think I already pressed the save now button. So the checkout button will be shown according to the things that you have already added. Okay, so for now what I'm doing is I'm just removing this page. I think there are some fields which are automatically updated before pressing the save button. Yeah, I think the header image field is something which is updated automatically, but I think that should be resolved. But apart from that, you can customize the checkout page in whatsoever way you want. Lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the layout section. In the layout section, you can add your own background color to the checkout page. So for example, if you are seeing a background image on the checkout page, so if you don't have an image, you can upload a background color. In fact, I'm going to this page layout, show background image. You can change the background image here. You can change the browser title label, which is shown over here. You can change the width of this page. So if you want to make this checkout page a little wider, you can do that from within this option. If you don't have an image, you can enter a background color. You can change a page subtext color, the label text color. So for example, if I'm changing the label text color, all the labels on this form will be changed. If I change the page subtext color, I think subtext color is something that is shown in the bottom. So if you change the subtext color, you can see this area changing. If you want to change the label text color, I've already shown you how to change that. If you want to increase the label size, you can increase it. If you want to increase the field size which appears inside this form, you can change that as well. Okay, so I think that is pretty much the demo of the new customizer that we have come up with. I do hope that you will love this customizer and you would be able to customize your checkout page according to your own requirements. You can certainly upload your own custom logos to this checkout page. You can change the branding of the branding and the colors of this checkout page. You can change the subscribe now button. You can make this checkout page wider, and you can pretty much do all those kind of things easily and quickly using the new Pabbly subscription checkout page customizer. So thanks for watching this video. I do hope you will love Pabbly subscriptions from now on. At the same point of time, we are developing lots and lots of amazing features within Pabbly subscription, and you would be seeing lots of changes happening within the next few weeks and months, and I would be delighted to present you demos of those features that comes up in near future. So thank you for watching this video.